morning again, y'all. We're coming back at you here last day of Kentucky's rifle season, November 28th. It's me and old Sam again.
Morning, everybody.
We're out here on a new piece of public. He'd done some e-scouting, and it looks like it's pretty good. We're driving in a little late. It's still gray light out, but it's looking promising, y'all. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can throw some meat on top of this Kia for you. Trying to slip up this little field right here.
Oh, it's got it. It's winter.
Here we go. They're fading all in this stuff. Deer beds everywhere. Deer trails everywhere, y'all. Might have found this little honey hole. Some weird pollen thing we just found. Oh, that's bedding. We're gonna slip back this way. See if we can get an opportunity.
People's gonna think that's no big deal until they find out I'm 6'4" and have fucking
We're finding some weird finds today, y'all. This is out here in the middle of nowhere.
like literally, y'all, we're like mile and a half to 3 miles off of the main.
Well, we're at it again, finding some weird stuff here in the woods. Still ain't found no deer.
It says the Appalachian
Found some kind of coal silo, maybe?
by thousands
Who knows?
of feet
Cool, though.
acres
Resting bench.
that have been. I'm gonna put that back in the pocket.
Hello, folks. We're pulling out all the tricks today. Good old drag rope. I'm gonna drag it to the spot and see if we can get something to follow us.
And if all else fails, we got the B&J.
We got some B&J. We're pulling out all the tricks today. I mean, it's last day. What can hurt? We'll
If
see you
it's
into the
brown.
spot. Told you we're trying all the tricks, boys. All the tricks. I'll throw up some scent wig, put some hot dough extras out. We're gonna get it done. Hopefully. Stanky. We got set up in this big old pine tree here. We're sitting about 40 foot off the ground, watching the fields. Sam's over there in the next one. We've climbed up here pretty well. Overlooking this field in front of us, we got a ridge behind us we're watching. May luck come to us tonight, hopefully. We'll catch him soon a bit.
Pretty good looking view. You can even see out behind us here. So, hopefully, we'll have some videos for y'all here soon. There's some more deer on the ground. But, as of now, we're gonna get ducked in here. Hope and wait for a deer to come through. We'll catch y'all in a little bit.
Alright, y'all, it's about 2:30. We climbed down. We're sitting in, same as in this one. That was in that tree back there. That one, this one.
I don't know what these berries are.
We're gonna slip around, see if we can't find something to get into. Maybe do a little slip hunting. But we're still at it, boys. Waiting for a deer. Well, it's 3 o'clock. We're going to ride up the road here to another little field. Oh yeah, we got a tip of the day. If you're climbing a spruce tree, make sure the leaves are good, or the limbs are good.
Or your butt's gonna hurt afterwards.
We should have had that on video, but we got a good laugh.
You boys just fell 20 foot out of a tree.
Luckily, we're okay though. Just a little hurt stomach from laughing. We'll catch it up here when we get to the other spot. Howdy, y'all. Well, we got about, I'd say 5 to 10 minutes left of shooting light. Got back in there on a spot and got busted by, what I think was
Got busted by a mag.
could have been a booner. I don't know.
Territory, folks.
But this is more than likely going to end our day here in Kentucky for the Kentucky's 2021 rifle season. We're going to see if we can't maybe slip back to the car and maybe catch something moving.
Beautiful beginning, or beautiful ending, but an even better beginning.
Yeah, we got a lot of hunting ahead of us. We're going to see if we can't slip to the car and try one last ditch effort. We got a few minutes left of shooting light left. Hopefully we can get y'all something.